Otumfuo chairman Odaruma. But you am not Yura, say a few tremui, Onoa any Nananum be echo America Memphis, Tennessee. Echo Memphis in May na a fascia or mudin ho. Into your invite Ghana, Emma Yura Noana Dinimonium Ekota a fashionachi. Na okoye no emso kuhia ne nananum ebi wo ho a enam akwan hodo bi so ntino emfie bi atwam wo mkopie ho na entie ne se ono a ne nanam edi nkomo ho eyi ababaawa baako a okohia no a yefre no Jill a ono na one ne di nkuta ho se ne nananum a owo ho omo wo ho nyina no onhwe no onfo omo nso mrafie na omo nso mehu omo nchi na jumedi a omudi wo ho no omo nso fa bi mra Ghana mem na afei se de omo nso so ebetuma be kire Ghana fo na se adisuade hunu se eye sika omo de ba Ghana ha se ncheche no brecheche omo fa ni nyina bi mra enti na wo twetwa mu e no omo nyina afri America ba ebedru ha sei na ne esi meyi omo nchenti no ababa wa odi animo no kamenda ne man kakra na de ntia oba ye no onfa tu yoro anim amai.
Otumfuo Chairman, my name is Lady Joanna Coleman. I'm the Delegate Leader and Chief Executive Officer with Jamerson Strategic Consulting. On behalf of this delegation, we have come to celebrate this Ekwesi Day with His Royal Majesty. Otumfuo Chairman, we have brought with us gifts befitting of the King: 6 schnapps, 8 champagnes, 12 wines, and 8 red labels. In addition, we have brought the Bomadier for the Asante Hene, Bomadier Asante Hema, Bomadier Otumfuo Chairman. And please forgive my pronunciation. Otumfuo Akrachefo. And Bomadier Otumfuo Ahenkwa. In addition, in celebration of the upcoming Silver Jubilee for His Royal Majesty, this delegation has also brought special gifts that you will see in silver. We ask permission to introduce the delegation and for them to present these gifts to His Royal Majesty. Dr. Cynthia Mitchell, Christian Brothers University, Memphis, Tennessee. Stephen Kimberly Stotzer, CEO, New Community Investments, Los Angeles, California. A proclamation from the city of Los Angeles.
You can stand right behind me.
Thank you. To His Royal Majesty, Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the King of the Asante Kingdom, Republic of Ghana, Your Majesty, warm greetings from the city of Los Angeles. I was delighted to learn of the delegation to Ghana, joined by the CEO of New Community Investments, Kimberly Stotzer. The delegation is excited to support continued cooperation between our two nations, and they look forward to learning and exploring other partnership opportunities. Los Angeles celebrates the deep relationship our city has with the Ghanaian people, and we value their many contributions in Los Angeles. My office is committed to partnering with you to build on your country's diaspora engagement policy which has resulted in tremendous economic, social, and cultural benefits for both Ghana and Los Angeles. I am committed to deepening our collaboration and strengthening ties between our communities. I look forward to finding more opportunities for exchange in the years to come. Best regards, Karen Bass, Mayor, City of Los Angeles.
Attorney Corliss Shaw, Memphis, Tennessee, leading partner. Mr. Roger Smith, investment partner with Sokol Investments. Stephen and Ayile Arnett, CEO and COO, Arnett Logistics Group, Memphis, Tennessee. A commission painting. And last, an engraved compass on behalf of Jamerson Strategic Consulting for His Royal Majesty being our North Star and guiding the diaspora back home to Ghana. Thank you.
Jill, I've known you for quite some time, and on behalf of His Majesty, to your delegation, we really appreciate it. His Majesty is very appreciative of your visit, the initiatives that you have started to bring his people back home, and also to explore the opportunities for investment, and also to help with his social responsibility program of developing Asanteman and Ghana. And we believe that you will be back again after your exploration with vivid projects and development assignments that will basically translate into improving the quality of life of His Majesty's Kingdom and that of Ghana. Thank you very much, and we wish you safe travels.
Mira, Mr. Obru, said the Nafi Yasi Akuyum Hine Osiano, say Odaroma, a few Tremuno, American Bruchimem, Memphis, Tennessee, Umua Fasha. Umua Fasha Odaroma.
Jill, to your delegation, His Majesty has a special request, and this is a project that is dear to his heart, and that has to do with the Komfo Anokye, which was named after our great high priest Komfo Anokye, the teaching hospital in Kumasi, which was built 70 years ago and is in dire need of renovations and rehabilitation. He has formed a committee to really organize a team of experts to raise $10 million to renovate the hospital, the walls, and the extensions. So if you can put it on your agenda when you go back and get your colleagues to support and come to support his program that His Majesty has initiated in the coming year. So Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital should be on your agenda. We're not sure of your itinerary and your timeline, but it will be very pleasing if one of you or all of you can accompany me to go to visit the hospital so you can see for yourself the state of affairs, that the condition of the hospital, which will really make sense to you as to why we're making this request. So, Jill, let's talk after this, and see if you can spend some time to pay a visit.
Nananom, Omempre men 6-4. Yampre Wanume. Yampre Otumfuo Nananom ye.
We